super classic, super timeless and elegant. The backdrop for us was the Plaza Hotel. Welcome to New York City. We are on our way to the Plaza Hotel, where we were just here for a wedding 2 weeks ago, and now we're back. And we have the rehearsal dinner in the Oak Room and the Oak Bar. And then we have our bride, and she's staying at the penthouse suite. And there's only one 2-bedroom penthouse, and it's now ours. And then we have the wedding tomorrow. We are starting in the Palm Court. We did a buyout of the Palm Court where everyone does tea time. That's cocktail hour. Then we're gonna be in the terrace room for ceremony, and then the ballroom for the party. Let's go inside. Hello. How's everybody? That looks so good in here. What are we thinking?
We're lighting it from both sides.
Of course we are.
Yeah. I'll put like a little bit of on it just to like. So
I wanted to like, I'll show you my inspiration picture. See that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Everything's gonna look nice.
It's gonna look nicer than this.
Yeah.
It's my inspiration shot.
For sure.
But it looks better. Yeah. I love the tears.
The depth of it, yeah. The tears.
It's gonna freak out.
It's gonna look amazing.
And we did this like mirror in between too.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's great.
You're like, yeah.
It's gonna be.
It's
nice
gonna be
and
really
reflective.
reflective.
Yeah.
We conceptualized with Laura and Jacob a classic gold and white wedding with one element of edge, which is black. So you're gonna see elements and accents of black in the flowers, in the room, in the decor, and it's like a mix of the traditional with the modern that I think is the coolest juxtaposition of this project. There is nothing more iconic, nothing more classic than the Plaza in New York City. How fun are these? Okay, these are our escort card boxes. They're custom made Plaza boxes, and inside of them it says "Open me for surprise." And a Jello shot, actually a French 75, is going to be inside of these as a little special treat.
Menu, nice appetizer.
Thank you. Just finished at the Plaza. Holy shit, celebrating Vogue US. This was a huge milestone for LLG. We are now off to Paige and Vinny's wedding. Then we did a photo walkthrough for Laura and Jacob, and we had a menu tasting for Billy and Brandon, and Elena and Patrick. Oh my God, so many couples, so many weddings. Awesome. Today we are on a photo scouting trip for our client that's getting married at the Plaza Hotel, and we are looking at all the different locations that we can bring her and her fiance and soon-to-be husband. So we're walking around with her photographer in New York. There's a lot of scaffolding. The fountain's under construction. There's tons of people and traffic. So I'm thinking we're gonna start pushing our bride and groom over there and doing photos over here and in Central Park. Trying this out. Crunchy. The dressing's amazing. Super fresh, crunchy lettuce, which I love. So good.
Wait, hold on. Let me double check this.
I love these sisters.
More in a little.
From the Plaza. Last night was epic. We did the Oak Room for rehearsal dinner, then welcome drinks. It did not end until 11 o'clock. It was a wild, fun night. And then today we are in a rainbow room. One of my favorites. Oh, good to see you. Oh my gosh, how are you? I know.
Let's go to the penthouse.
Let's go to the penthouse. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, you do look
Really
really
good.
You look good. Oh, we're not. Yeah, we gotta go back.
They were like, you. Patty just said it again. She goes, you look so hot. I was like, I'll bring my wings so I can touch you up later.
Oh my gosh.
She's like, great.
Hi, how are you?
We have to ruin really good spirits. She's happy. I'm nervous about this seating thing.
Me too, because I don't think she remembered to put her bridal party, which is still fine.
Okay.
But we could do it
Well, yeah, just put them.
if she wants them. So
I know I didn't want to ask.
I know,
but-
me neither. We're gonna. This is us, right?
Yeah. So yeah, and Monica said she would be there too, though. So I can have someone on the end or for Rena.
Well, we will do whatever she wants.
Yeah. Hold on.
We just finished up and the bridal suite for getting ready, and now we are heading to the ballroom. Look how beautiful these are. So stunning. Yeah. Yeah. Better that way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go this way.
And then just do it on the right or the left. What do you guys prefer?
We've done a couple of before, but
I don't like it.
you don't like it?
Not on top. Yeah, and do it on the side as close as we can. What time are we room ready in that space? What time are we thinking?
What time? This is upstairs, right? So
Yeah.
it's not until 9 are they entering?
Yeah.
Maybe 8.
But we would want it for pictures. I would say 8.
8.
Yeah. No blue light, like on the chandelier. Okay. Yeah. I want to see colors. All right.
Colors but no blue.
Yeah. But like, I don't want to see colors. More like a champagne. Hi.
Okay, Amber.
You good? Okay, right now a lot's happening. We have bride and groom. Yes, come stand here. Bride and groom are on their way over here with bridal party. I'm taking a quick photo. And then we have family portraits, Katuba signing, Havdalah, and then we have guest invite all in an hour and a half. So a lot has to happen pretty quickly. And we're setting up the palm court, finishing up the ballroom. This room is wrapped, and we're still doing the jello shots. So now things really have to pick up. Okay, quick little photo.
And like,
I don't love the way the menu is being presented like this, so I have to just fix that. You see how it's like on top of it? I don't love that, so I just wanted them to fix it. I might have to go upstairs in a sec. Why? What happened?
no, we're just wondering like,
No one is up there on lighting right now. Do you need lighting to come here? I can get a tech here. Do you need a tech? How many questions is that? 12. Even counting? Bob, someone from the plaza is telling guests that arrival is 6 o'clock. That's what these people just told me. I'm just telling Mark. Mark! Check in with the plaza staff in the lobby. They're telling guests that the wedding guest invite is 6 o'clock. I have 2 guests here that just told me that.
no, it's not at the 7.
They were told by
Okay.
I told them I'd get them a drink at the champagne.
Don't worry, I'll take her.
Okay, just let them know it's 7. Thank you. Thank you. The hotel staff is different from the event staff, and the hotel staff have been telling guests an hour earlier, an arrival that's an hour earlier than we start. So I have about 15 people here that came at 6 instead of 7. You know, we put it on the welcome bag, we put it on the invitation, and then somebody tells somebody 6, and now all of a sudden people are here at 6. I don't understand. And so I'm like, we should not be receiving guests, but if we're going to receive guests, then they need to have champagne and they need to have the plaza experience. So even though they're 45 minutes early, they're gonna have some nice booze and hang out in the champagne bar. So that's what we do. So cool. Look at you. Then turn off the AC. I don't care. If everybody is complaining, then we need to just turn off the AC, or they just need to turn it to like 72, 73. But we need to fix that now. Thank you, thank you. Bye. Great. I just don't want to see any blue or purple on this.
Okay. You want like an amber and like white just to give it a little depth?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Just no like bat mitzvah colors. I know it's going to take time for it to just the systems to wind down.
Yeah.
But let's just turn it off.
Okay. I'll have Mark tell engineering.
Thank you.
two sisters, two family members getting married in the same year, there's always, you know, a level of anxiety that I have for this party because there's an expectation. The clients know me very well. They know what we can do, what we're capable of, what we can produce and design. But of course, you want it to be absolutely perfect for the young daughter.
Look at this.
So cool. This is so This is stunning. She's gonna love every second of this. She's gonna be very, very happy.
Turn it up. Me and Kate were saying, what if Grandpa gets brazen? He still goes down the aisle. What if he gets brazen at the top of the stairs? And Jessica stands and then meets him. It's gonna be a show if he goes on the. I can't have time. He's too much. Where is he? He's already here. Right, he's here. That's big thing is Jacob really wants him down the aisle. So what? Does she say that? Yeah, yesterday at rehearsal, she made a whole night.
Yep, hi Lauren. I'm up here. I'm standing here. They can come up here.
Perfect, thank you. You guys can walk up and you'll be right over there. Kate will escort, will be there. Do you want to bring them now? Your parents?
What's the choice?
Wheelchair's coming right here. It'll be moved over. Is it up one? It's up one. Is this Robert? Yeah.
So you're moving the wheelchair right here?
Yes.
I think you're right. I think it makes sense. Let me help you into this chair and leave it.
Yes, please.
Oh, not use the wheelchair?
You tell me.
Can
Yeah.
you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, this is his seat. Let's bring him here before I invite everybody else.
Grandpa's staying here?
Grandpa's staying.
So I'm
Whose stapler is this? I don't know whose that is. Thank you. Let's begin, please.
I am white, so I am okay.
French 75 Jello shots a night. Oh my God. That's sick. And something that was super important for me is to do an element of glam and glitz at the Plaza. That was still chic and sophisticated and perfect for Laura and Jacob. This has a very specific vision. Alina, can you take a picture of that? That's sloppy. I don't like sloppy work. Okay, Golf, I need your guys to move the piano, please. I'm just definitely a little nervous.